Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a general read for you today. Taurus, these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with all of you out there. Keep that in mind when you see the readings, alright? Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So with that said, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, welcome back. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you all for all your lovely comments, your kindness and your support to the channel, your likes. I'm very, very grateful. I'm very blessed. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you also. Do subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy the reading, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, and yes, if any of you are looking for a private reading, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So let's see what's coming up for you, Taurus. What is the message for you today? Bottom of my deck, I have the High Priestess in reverse. Either you've uncovered some truths here, Taurus, or maybe somebody's having a little bit of difficulty listening to their intuition right now. But let's see what Taurus needs to know. Let's start with the Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see how Lord Ganesha can help here. Lord Ganesha, a message for my Taurus gang, please. Positive outlook is your card here, Taurus. Let's see, this is number 29. Let's see if there's a message in here for you. 29. 52. Yes, here it is. How you feel depends on your own mental attitude, Taurus. The many faces of Ganesha reflect, see there how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 faces, okay, in this picture. The many faces of Ganesha reflect how you feel about the different aspects of your life: spirituality, health, finances, relationship, and emotional well-being. It's important to remember that circumstances are not good or bad, but always neutral. It's how you approach the situation that will determine the outcome. If you choose to see something as depressing, it will be. If you choose to see it as encouraging, it will be. Your mind determines how your day will go. Your state of mind has influence over your body, your relationships, and your emotional well-being, and how you view your finances. Every day you are so careful when considering what you will be eating during that day. You have an opportunity to be just as discerning when it comes to how you think. You can conquer your moods no matter how bad a mood you may be in. Make up your mind that you're not going to be controlled by your moods anymore. If you do find yourself in low disposition, take a moment to acknowledge what brought this up for you. Take positive action to shift back to happiness or being positive. Right? And no wonder the High Priestess is here in reverse for you, Taurus. Maybe you're finding it a little difficult to listen to your intuition right now. Maybe having negative thoughts, feeling things are stuck. Nothing is moving. Okay, let's open your cards and see why that is. Let's put this beautiful card here. So the first card I have here is the Justice in reverse. So on your mind is things are not balanced. I'm not getting the justice I receive, feeling a little left out, abandoned, left out in the cold. Maybe some of you are having money troubles, or maybe there's a relationship that's not working out. But if you keep thinking, I'll never get justice, guess what, Taurus? That's what you'll be attracting, right? So change your words right now if possible. The devil, yes, the fear, the anxiety, the sorrow, the regret of something not moving ahead the way you would have wanted it to. The devil is attached to this energy, Taurus, and this is your own self-doubt, I think. This is your negative thinking, which is actually influencing the circumstances around you. When you maybe something is really not working in your favor right now, but if you keep giving it that much of attention, it's going to grow. In the past, again, depression, Four of Cups in reverse. Let me clarify these cards, Taurus, before we go further. Justice in reverse, Spirit. Too many cards. Why is the Justice card in reverse? Sleepless nights, having nightmares, expecting the worst, not being able to sleep, Taurus. Come on, that's not my Taurus gang. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Maybe somebody came back from your past, or you want somebody to come back from your past. Maybe you're waiting for this romantic offer to come your way, which maybe hasn't come, and you're obsessively thinking about this, Taurus. And right now feeling things are just not going in your favor, or wondering if they ever will. Will this person ever return? Will I ever get this romantic offer? Something from your past is bothering you right now, and you're expecting the worst, to be honest here. The Devil? Yes, you are... You're not feeling valued at the moment, Taurus. You feel the tower has fallen, nothing can ever be rebuilt once again, and all this is negative thinking. Ace of Wands, Spirit. Ace of Wands in reverse. Whatever this lack of enthusiasm is that you're feeling right now, Taurus, you want a transformation, yes, but right now it's kind of burdening you. You feel it's already come to an end. There is nothing left here, and all these thoughts of an ending with maybe a past thing, past situation, is not making you feel very happy. I see a lot of sadness and a lot of anxiety, a lot of negative thinking. Four of Cups in reverse, Spirit. What happened in the past? Four of Cups. Maybe in the past somebody did come back from your past. You thought the worst was over. You thought, now finally I'll come out of this stuck place. But this offer was not made here. This offer was not made. You were not given that position or that forward movement. And now you're kind of stressed and worried about it. Very soon a decision will be made. You're going to come out of this confusion, Taurus, but please keep your mindset very, very clear. This choice is going to be made very soon. Okay, this is in your immediate future. I have two cards of a decision getting made. No more confusion and a decision. So what's this all about, Spirit? What's this decision all about? What's this decision in the near future? I think you're going to be standing your ground here, Taurus. I think you're going to be standing your ground. Things have kind of stagnated. You are going to be waiting and watching. Or no, this is a decision that you're making. This is a decision you're making to guard yourself. To guard yourself against anyone who cannot be your emperor. I mean, who's trying to control you maybe, or trying to control the situation, who's trying to be like a dictator. I think you're going to be making a firm decision regarding this person. Anyone who's going to bring your energy down, who's going to make you feel like the Empress in reverse. Now have an Emperor in reverse and an Empress in reverse. So instead of worrying about this, I think very soon, Taurus, you're going to be making some kind of a decision of guarding yourself against an energy and not allowing maybe a reunion with somebody who's emotionally distant. They never show you, their correct side. You're looking for clarity. It's crossed by the Ace of Swords. So it's a matter of honesty, truth, and clarity. And you're going to be making a decision that I'm not going to have a reunion. I'm not interested in anyone who's going to emotionally blackmail me now, okay, or emotionally manipulate me. Yes, this person, whoever you're dealing with, or people around you, are also seeing that you are now kind of holding your ground. You are in solitude. Yes, you are you're not coming forward with anything. You're not messaging, you're not moving forward, you are keeping yourself to yourself. I think you're trying to uncover the hidden truths of this matter, because this person has not never brought you clarity till now. So you are, that's how people see you. That is, Taurus is now gone into solitude mode, is no longer talking or messaging, and your biggest fear, even now, you're still kind of fearing. You still fear whoever this emperor is in reverse. There's a lot of fear and anxiety concerned with this person. Maybe you fear that they are going to be over controlling, or they are never going to step up to the plate. Lot of anxiety. My God, Taurus, come on. Nobody's worth this. This is a self-imposed prison that you seem to have put yourself in. And you are, this is your biggest fear as well, that will this emperor will always remain in reverse? Will they never step up to the plate? Will they always be this harsh and, cold, and always try and control me? This kind of stresses you out. Hermit in reverse. What's this Hermit in reverse, Spirit? So I have the Hermit in reverse and I have the High Priestess in reverse now. Yes, somebody sooner or later is going to come your way, Taurus, from what I feel. They don't like it that you've put yourself in hermit mode, or they are feeling in hermit mode. But from what I see, I think you're going to pick yourself up, Taurus. You are going to pick up this positive outlook. You are going to pick up your strength now. You are going to refuse maybe an offer of love which you are going to be doubting, I think. I don't think you feel the same way regarding this anymore. Anything that's going to give you stress and worry, you're not going to allow it in your aura right now. Okay? So, one more, Spirit, for the Hermit in reverse. Yes, you're putting a halt to anything. You're going to be calling judgment on this person and saying, let karma deal with them. I'm not going to stay stressed all my life. I'm going to keep a positive outlook in my life. And please, if you can rewind and listen to this message of Lord Ganesha once again, I would really recommend them, because that's going to be the answer to your getting yourself out of this position. Okay, so that's all I have for you right now, Taurus. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.